you know that rich gourd is one of the most commonly used vegetables during summer season as it has lot of benefit in this summer. Rich gourd is used to make curry, added to dals and even made to a spicy chutney. I am sharing a simple rich gourd curry recipe which turns out delicious and so simple to make. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe, and first of all check the ingredients, and ingredients are asafetida or hing, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, tomatoes, ginger thinly slices, and with that green chilies, kalonji, and our lovely rich gourd. Now let's begin the recipe. Now, now wash the rich gourd properly, and then with the help of a knife cut both the edges, and next make small pieces. After that, with the help of a peeler, peel off the skin properly, and finally cut it into chunk size pieces, as after cooking it will shrink as it releases a lot of water during the time of cooking. Now, do you know that each and every part of this vegetable can be used to make different types of recipes and dishes? And one such vegetable is this rich gourd. And you can make curry, chutney, raita without wasting any part of it. And if you want to use the skin of this rich gourd, you can easily make any recipe of your choice. Now it's done, keep it on one side. On the other side, we will make a paste for the curry. Take 3 to 4 ginger slices. Add 2 to 3 green chilies according to your taste bud, and then add 3 medium-sized tomato cut into small pieces, though I have removed the seed. After that, make a fine paste and also keep this on a side. And now our paste is also done. Everything is ready. Let us start our cooking. For that, in a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then we will add half teaspoon of kalonji. After that, add half teaspoon of asafetida or hing to give a nice aroma to this curry. And once it start to crackle, then add our clean and washed rich gourd. Fry it in a high flame for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns golden. Though if you want to make any other curry with this rich gourd or any part of this rich gourd, you can check the description box below, as I already mentioned few links so that you can make different varieties with this rich gourd. Now add salt 1/4 teaspoon and turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Next, fry it again until it turns golden in a medium high flame. Though be careful, it can stick at the bottom of the pan or it can burn. So stir it occasionally. Now our rich gourd is ready. Remove it from the pan, and into that same oil we will cook further. If needed, you can also add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. While I am removing this rich gourd from the pan, let me inform you one thing. Rich gourd is one veggie which is best consumed when it is young. When it is fully ripened or aged, the veggie turns fibrous and is not good for consumption as it doesn't get cooked well. Young rich gourd has sweeter tones and tastes delicious whether it is a curry, dal or chutney. Now after adding 1 teaspoon of oil more, add the paste which you have done at the beginning of the recipe. In a high flame, stir it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then into it add half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste, and stir it well until the water dries up and it gets a nice color, and also oil start to release from all the sides. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will see it rise up, and at this point of time, we need to add the fried rich gourd. Though be careful, no need to add extra water. If you add extra water, the curry will be very runny, as rich gourd contains lot of water in it. So stir it well, and in a very low flame, cover and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, and our curry will be perfectly done. But before covering and cooking further, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and 2 to 3 green chili from above, then cover and cook further. Now finally open and check this delicious rich gourd curry which is best in this summer. After scraping it, then sprinkle 1 teaspoon of grated fresh coconut from above. Though this optional, if you don't have, just ignore it. But adding this, it enhances its taste much better. After that, cover and then serve it immediately. Serve in a serving plate and garnish it with more chopped coriander and fresh grated coconut. And enjoy this with roti or plain steamed rice. This recipe is an easy and homely sabji made with rich curd and some basic spices and coconut. Since all the ingredients in this recipe are plant-based, it is also naturally a vegan dish. And if you think today's recipe is worth it, why are you waiting for? Just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so when I upload the next recipe, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy this summer. See you again. Till then, bye-bye.